Learn interesting facts about America. America's snowy mountains, sunny beaches, vast deserts, and offers a unique view of dense forests. The United States has two neighboring countries, Canada and Mexico. The state of California is a dairy producer in the United States. The total population of the United States is 33.4 billion. America is recognized for technological leadership in the field of IT. Apple, Google, Facebook, YouTube. Big companies in America. More than 47.8 million foreigners lived in the United States, which is about 14% of the total population. The highest among them is Mexico, at 23%, Indian 6%, Chinese 5%, Filipino 4%. Hollywood, located in Los Angeles, Hollywood, is called the film capital of the world. The total area of the United States is 3,809,525 square miles. It is the fifth largest country by area. America has no official language or religion. America is the center of the world's largest global market. The US dollar is the primary reserve currency worldwide. America is home to the richest men in the world. World-famous wrestlers Under Tiger and Roman Reigns are from America. In 1613, the first university was established in America. More than 5,300 universities in the United States. In 1776, America declared independence from British rule. The U.S. economy has remained the world's largest economy for decades. America is the first country to set foot on the moon. The most popular sport in America is football.